thank you for joining me on my channel. I've been so excited about this project. It's a wedding edition. We've been making jewelry, favors, and wedding gifts, and all these are in the playlist above. And for these wooden sets, as you will see, we've also made a jar to put them in, a glass jar, and decorated it with resin. So don't forget to check the card above and follow the link to watch how we did it. And so I'll show you how to make this one wooden stick piece, how to decorate it. But remember, if you want to see how the full set looks, check and follow me on Instagram at Juliet Mego Inspires, because you'll see how we combine everything, the spoons, and there's a tray and the jar on where we place them. So, and also the same sets in different colors and also in different ways of how we do decorating. Today I'm sharing with you how to decorate this wooden spoon so that it remains functional but it's still decorative. And you can see we already have this design on it, and for that we used pyrography, which is the burning out of the wood with the different designs like this. And then we painted it white so that the base is not too dark, so that the white, and I'll show you the colors we'll use on it, lets the color pop. Yes, you could carve it and stencil, do so many different things, but for me, for this specific project, I chose to use pyrography. And I'm looking forward to see how these dark shades on the edges will make the whole project pop. So we'll use this wooden spoon that I've already propped on this so that it's level. We're using this MEYSPRING white mica, and I'm adding a little of the opaque pigment so that the color, the white, is a little dense. And then we're going to use this Opulent Tanzanite, MEYSPRING, and a gray in alcohol ink. So now I'll mix the resin with my protective gear and just show you how this quick project works. Don't forget to please subscribe and press the notification so that you don't miss out on this and the rest of the playlist for this wedding edition and the others that are still coming, because I'll also share with you the getaway for this destination wedding. my spoon has cured. Let's take a close-up and you critique this with me and let me know in the comment section below what you would have changed or done better, or what do you think I should do next time. But even before you do that, remember there's another way of making these wooden spoons. Check the card above for it. All right, so here it is on close-up. I love the design, like from far, you know, like if it's hung in a, let's say hung in a room, you know, on the wall or something, it would still look good. On close-up, the white, you can see the white sort of dilutes the blue, and the blue was navy. It looks like it's black. The edges are a little jagged, but how do I say, shabby chic. There's an ethnic ruggedness to it. Let me put it that way. There's an ethnic ruggedness to it compared to, you know, from China, cut out with machine. And I think it looks nice, and the feel of it is nice. So now all you need to do is take care that when this is being washed, you don't scratch on it, and so you can do no more service with it. Just when you wash, not to use abrasive stuff on it. You can use it for serving salads or as a decorative piece on, maybe like in the kitchen, on the wall in the kitchen or on the counter. I think, especially if you can get different designs, this would be a nice way of decorating spoons. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to see the other full set on my Instagram at Juliet Megwe Inspires, and also different colors to see how I've done the others. And also remember the other method of decorating wooden spoons. Check the card above for that, or in the playlist for wedding edition. And remember, this can be good for any, you know, any season, anytime, birthdays, Mother's Day gift, mother-in-law's gift, a wedding gift, a housewarming gift, or something for your home. Please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my next video. God bless you. Barakatele. See you next time.